Assalamualaikum. Hello to the virtual conference. I am Anisita Z. Domingo from SMK Kolombong, Kota Kinabalu will deliver a presentation entitled The Use of Tapak Forensik KBAT in Improving the Techniques of Answering SPM Questions in the Form of High-Level Thinking Skill for Form 5C Secondary School. The focus of my presentation is introduction, issue of concern, objective, inventiveness, practicality and usefulness, impact of learning, certificates of appreciation, and conclusion. For the introduction, this study was conducted to train students to answer high-level thinking skills questions to reach the level of inference that meets the criteria of the actual SPM scoring rules. Preliminary surveys found that there were problems in answering examination question, especially the question section in the form of KBAT. This indirectly contributes to the deterioration of students' performance in the subject of history, which in turn affects student SPM result. Objective. The general objective is obtain full marks in each section of the high-level thinking skills questions while sitting for the actual SPM examination. And the specific objective, first, to improve the skill of Form 5C student in answering SPM high-level thinking skills questions by using the Tapak Forensik KBAT. Second, to increase the difference in scores of Form 5C student before and after using the Tapak Forensik KBAT. To train Form 5C students in answering SPM high-level thinking skill questions, which include descriptive, facts, examples, and inference using the Tapak Forensik KBAT. The target group of this study is Form 5C in secondary school, which consists of 30 students, 18 female students, and 12 male students. Based on the pretest result, it was found that a total of 27 students, 90%, did not get the full marks allocated of 8 marks in the fractional question C Part B essay History Paper 2 during the final examination of 2019. Survey results and observation shows that students from this group are not skilled in answering KBAT question up to the level of inference. They only get maximum marks in 3 to 4 marks. Thus, showing that these prospective SPM candidates cannot provide appropriate evidence examples. Knowledge and understanding in answering SPM question is not clear, and they are unable to make accurate inference, and also unable to provide in-depth and detailed answer. The communication or processing is not interesting and no answer maturity. The first diagram shows the result of the student work before being introduced to the KBAT forensic site. The second figure shows a literature review related to history learning method that impact student result and the analysis report of the Ministry of Education Malaysia, which emphasize the aspect of HOTS in the actual SPM questions. The third diagram relates to the VARC theory related to the student learning style. Inventiveness. First, this is an innovation from the Tapak Forensik KBAT, which contain facts, description, examples, and inferences. Number 2, students are guided and explained clearly on how to use the Tapak Forensik KBAT. Number 3, the bottom column is the complete essay answer based on the site above. And number 4, this is the work of student using the Tapak Forensik KBAT. Practicality and usefulness. First, easy to share and disseminate to all schools in the secondary school. Facilitate the implementation of PDPR, PDPC online or face-to-face. Can be implemented in urban and rural area schools, enhancing student engagement through meaningful learning. The top forensic KBAT is a technique that does not involve the cost of use. Impact of learning. The use of the Tapak Forensic KBAT provide meaningful learning to 5C students who sit for the SPM examination in 2020 because a total of 12 students have obtained excellent result in the subject of history and passed 100%. This class has also led the next two classes, 5A and 5B, in the achievement of SPM history subject in year 2020. Certificate of Appreciation. This Tapak Forensic KBAT has been widely distributed in several schools around Kota Kinabalu and also outside the Kota Kinabalu district. In addition, several partnerships have been implemented, such as in the DEVA Mentor Program organized by the PPD Kota Kinabalu. This technique was also disseminated during talks and workshops on SPM and lower secondary essay answering techniques at Sekolah Agama Johor Darul Takzim. For the conclusion, this Tapak Forensic KBAT application has an impact in improving the performance of student SPM result and is even more motivated every time they answer KBAT question during the actual examination day. Thank you very much.